Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app. You are seeing the snowfall is coming down and the very fantastic wallpaper is here. The time centigrade and the day is also showing, and as well as the date. So this is very fantastic. So let me show you the app. That is clock like life wallpaper. So by here you can do this. This is very amazing to do. So how to do this, let me show you. First, still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. So by here you can put, and you can do the setting as well, clock, snowfall and background, whatever else you want to do you can do it by here. And snowfall, if you want to do the speed, okay, so you can do this. So snowfall will come from this side. So this is very amazing to use. So still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.